Hi there. Today, we're diving into the world of few-shot prompting, a powerful tool for interacting with language models. If you're already familiar with zero-shot prompting, you'll be intrigued to see how just a few examples can significantly enhance the accuracy and usefulness of AI responses. Let's explore how it works through practical examples. Imagine this: you explain a task and provide a couple of examples. The AI listens carefully, grasps the idea, and continues the work on its own. Convenient, isn't it? That's the essence of few-shot prompting, a method where we guide the AI's thinking by giving it a few examples. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it effectively. Few-shot prompting allows you to provide a few examples so the model can understand the task before processing your main input. For example, if you want the model to determine the sentiment of a text, you provide it with a couple of examples. Example 1, text: "This movie was a huge disappointment. The plot was boring and the acting was subpar." Sentiment: negative. Example 2, text: "I'm so glad I chose this company for collaboration. Their service is excellent, and the staff is always ready to help." Sentiment: positive. Your input: text: "The exam was really hard, and I feel so down. I think I failed most of the questions," and the model responds. Sentiment: negative. Providing examples helps the model understand the task and expected outcome, significantly improving response accuracy. Few-shot prompting offers several key advantages. Clarity: examples help AI better understand the task's context. Enhanced accuracy: the better the model understands your request through examples, the more precise and helpful its responses will be. Versatility: this method works for a variety of tasks, from generating text to solving math problems. Let's walk through 3 practical examples to see the method in action. Imagine you're preparing questions for an expert interview and need AI assistance. Instead of just asking, "Create questions," you provide a few examples to illustrate the desired style and depth. First, we write examples of how the questions should look. Question: "What significant changes have occurred in your industry over the past 5 years?" Question: "How do you evaluate the impact of new technologies on the future of your profession?" Now we will write down what needs to be done. Create 3 questions for an interview with an architect about modern trends in urban planning. Here's the response. You're a marketer seeking ideas for a new ad campaign. First, we write examples of how the question should look. Slogan for coffee: "Inspiration starts with the first sip." Slogan for sportswear: "Reach new heights." Now we will write down what needs to be done. Create a slogan for a new energy drink. Here's the response. You want to suggest unique travel routes. First, we write examples of how the question should look. Examples of task completion: route for Italy, Rome, Florence, Venice. Route for Japan, Tokyo, Kyoto, Osaka. Now we will write down what needs to be done. Task: create a route for South America. Here's the response. How to use few-shot prompting effectively. Choose clear and relevant examples. Ensure your examples precisely reflect the format or task you want to solve. Maintain a consistent format. All examples should be uniform to help the model interpret them easily. Avoid overloading the input. 2 to 5 examples are enough for the model to grasp the task. That's it for today. We've explored the few-shot prompting method, its advantages, and practical use cases. Try it out in your requests